Yeah, good evening, guys. So, today I'm going to show you how you can use the OLED site. So, this is the site. Let me just hold on. Let me log out. Okay. So this is the site. I have about 3 accounts on this site currently. I have about 3 accounts. So, I have about 3 accounts. So on this site, I'm just going to log in right now on the site. Yeah. So this is how it's going to appear when you open the site. So if you look at your account balance here, your account balance here is going to show 00. Also here is going to show junior. I have an account that shows VIP. So let's just get straight to the thing. So if you want to do anything, be it Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Spotify, to increase websites views and the rest, you can find it here at the category. Here at the category, that's where you find it. So let's open it and see. Now you can see you have Nigerian followers. Call me please. You have Nigerian followers. You have normal Instagram followers. And if you scroll up, you see mentions, verified comments, this real service, and the rest of the stuff. You can see services on YouTube. You can see them. You can see services on Facebook, SoundCloud, Spotify, Telegram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter, and the rest of the stuff. So the most common one that people almost demand is the Instagram followers because most people want to be influencers on Instagram. So most people can demand for Nigerian real followers. You can actually do it by just clicking on this list, these Nigerian followers here. When you click on it, now all you have to do is just pay a little amount. This is how much it costs for 1,000 followers for Nigerian real followers. Active followers, that is 2,900. Now, the amount I charge for these Nigerian followers, I don't charge below 5,000 naira to 7,000 naira. If you don't pay, I'm not working. That is what I charge. So you can see the list amount is 2,900 for active Nigerian followers on Instagram. Now, when you select this active 1,000 followers, now you can go here and put in the link. All you just have to do is type in https column forward slash www.instagram.com slash the exact username, exactly how the username is written. If it is John 1234, write it like this. If there's a dot, put a dot. Make sure you don't do any mistake. Now you have to put in the amount of followers you want. If you want 1,000 followers, 100,000 followers, any amount of followers you want, the amount will be shown to you. You can see the price for 10,000 Nigerian followers. Now let's say the some person just asks you, say, okay, bro, I beg, I want me you just do normal followers for me. All you just have to do is just go here. Now you just look for this Instagram followers guaranteed, this one here, and just click on it. And when you click on it, you open here. Now you see different prices and how many days the followers can last without dropping. Now you can see this one has about 60 days refill. The second one has about 60 days refill. The third one has about 30 days refill. If you read in between the lines very well. Now I prefer using the ones of 60 days review refill depending on how much the person pays. Like you can see this one for 30 days refill is just 482 naira. That's how much you have to pay for 1,000 followers. Now I charge 2,000 naira for 1,000 followers. and I charge some people 2.5. So let's say the person pays me 2.5. I can do the one of this 60 days fee for the person. But if the person pays like, sorry, sorry for the break. So sorry about that. So if you want to do, depending on how much the person is paying, so you can select the one the person is doing and just do for the person. Now another thing is also you can do for, I think this platform does for a targeted location. I think, let's check. Okay, it does likes on targeted locations. Now followers premium. You can see, as you can see here. So every feature you need is here. So let's say I am doing Facebook likes for somebody. You can see you can get 1000 likes under 0 to 5 minutes for just 26 naira. So I can actually post on my Instagram and get about 50,000 likes for just, let's say how much is 50,000 likes, for just 1,339 naira. Let's say 1,340 can get 50,000 likes on my Instagram account. You see how simple it is. So the platform is very simple to use. Now, if you want to fund, it's very simple. All you just have to do is just click on these three dots here, and when you click on that three dots, now you see this is written add funds. That's where you click on, and when you click on it, now you don't have to change anything here. Just click on Flutterwave. You can you charge as low as 1,000 naira, as low as 100 naira. I mean, as low as 100 naira, 500, any amount you just want. When you enter 100 naira, pay, it will direct you to Paystack. Now most of the times it shows pay with card, but on this place written comment, on this place written change payment method, this place written change payment method, you can actually change it to anyone. I prefer paying with bank transfer. So that is all for that. Thank you.